Welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial. My name is Khalil, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through the steps on how to hard reset or factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A51. This particular device is with Verizon Wireless, and these steps should work on any similar devices from any other service providers. Now, the buttons you would need to perform the factory reset are located on the side. Make sure your phone is powered off. Then you want to press the power and the volume up key at the same time. Press and hold both buttons, and once the device comes on, release only the power and keep holding the volume up key. You will get to the menu where you're going to select the data factory reset. You're going to use the volume down key to navigate. So wipe data factory reset, then press the power key. You want to scroll down to the second option. Press the power once more. Once that is done, we're going to do the wipe cache partition. So you want to scroll down to that option and press the power key again. Then down to yes. Confirm that. And once that is done, you can go ahead and restart your device. It's going to restart and everything's going to be wiped off the device. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.